Hi guys, today we've got a beautiful bow half updo. To start, I'm going to section off the crown of the hair and we're just going to tie this together at the back of the head with an elastic band. Next, grab some texture spray and pop it all over the top of the hair and pinch and pull for some more texture. Now take a topsy tail tool and pass it straight through the middle of that ponytail band. And I'm going to take a small slice of hair from the middle of the ponytail and I'm just going to pass it through the loop and then just gently lay it on the top of the head and clip it out of the way. Make sure this isn't too tight. Next, we're going to take a small slice of hair from the left and then putting our fingers in from the right hand side, we're going to grab hold of the top of that slice of hair and pull it part way through so we create a small loop. Then just clip it to the hair to keep it where it is for now and repeat on the opposite side. So take a small slice of hair from the right hand side, take your fingers in from the left, grab the top and pull it part way through to create another loop. Then just remove all of those clips that are holding the hair in place and gently pull through the topsy tail tool to secure everything together. And this is what creates your bow. I've used some wax spray just to tame any flyaways. And this would look great straight, but I've decided to curl it just using my 1-inch curling tong. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.